Welcome to my YouTube channel. Unfortunately, this is the last video I'm making. So I have here my company, my little helpers. Thank you guys for watching all my videos that were so unprofessional, but at least you got the point of the recipes. I actually I don't like making the videos, I'm sorry. So this will be the last video I'm making. So I have promised a lot of people that I will show them how I make my Sunday pancakes. We always have to eat pancakes no matter what. Guys, can you stand there? What are we going to start with? So, okay, so first, what do we need?
Eggs.
We need eggs. How many eggs do we need?
And two.
2 eggs, yeah. Wil je ze opnemen? Goed op. No, Michael, don't break first. No. First, let's wait. We tell people first how much they need. You need eggs, and what else do you need?
And we need sugar.
You need sugar, yeah?
We need milk.
Yeah.
And
What is this? Flour, yeah?
flour.
Yeah, that's all you need. You need eggs, 2 eggs, sugar,
And
flour, and
milk.
milk. And then we use this butter to you say bake, or fry, or whatever. I don't know. That's one of the reasons why I'm stopping this, because I never really know how to describe what we are doing. So we're going to start with the eggs. Tessa, can you break the eggs? And one thing is that I don't actually have a precise measurement of how we do this. So I'm going to be measuring while I'm doing this so that I tell you guys exactly how much stuff we need. Oh my goodness, the eggshells just fell in there. Guys. Okay, I'm going to get a spoon for that. Wait. Even wachten, yeah? I'm going to remove this. Yeah. And then we need sugar. So we don't use a lot of sugar because we add microwave. You can press here, Michael, yeah? Kevin, you can come here close by. So we're going to measure how much. I don't have normal sugar, I have busted sugar. So I'm going to use busted sugar today. Oh yeah, first press. Wait. It's obviously chaos here. Press, yeah, until it's 0. Press again. Yeah, then we can measure. I'm just going to see how much. Yeah, okay. So we're just going to put a little bit of sugar. Yeah, I think 50 grams will do. So about 50 grams, we put it in there. Tessa, can you whisk?
Yes.
So we're going to start mixing. And then we're going to start putting the flour inside. So Michael, can you press there? No, you press here, Yeah. Press there until it's 0. Again, press until it's 0. So, Tessa, can you write that we need 50 grams of sugar? It was 53, but 50 grams. 50 gram suiker. So we're going to see how much flour. I will probably add some more, but I'm sure we need a full week of this. Okay, so we're starting to fight here. Okay, this is like 350. Okay, about 380 grams first. Okay, guys, I need. Can you move a little bit so that Mama can start whisking? Because this one is a bit hard. Yeah, can we move, please? Yeah. Okay. Michael, you can stand here. You can stand here in the corner. Kevin, can you move a bit behind also? Kevin is recording for us. Go a little bit behind. Then you have space here. So I'm going to start whisking. It's okay. Yeah. I'm going to start whisking. So we mix. We put flour. We put eggs. How much flour was it? 380. Tessa, can you write 380? Flour. So I do this. Put flour. Put milk, yeah. Until it's. Wil je het doen? Ja. Oké, je mag wel proberen. Ja? Maar even wachten, ja. Ik ga even eerst doen. Ik ga een beetje bloem in doen. Ga maar achter kijken.
Dan kan je.
Ja, prima. So, Michael is going to mix now. Yeah, okay. Can you mix, Michael? Goed zo. Heel goed. Ja, wat ben je sterk, hè? You're really strong, hè? Okay. So, yeah, can Mama help you now? Yeah, okay. Thank you. So I'm going to add more milk and then add more flour until I get exactly how much.
Mama, jij gaat het doen.
Ik ga wat? So you already see that we have finished the flour, so we add some more. And that way I know how much to tell you guys. Michael, wait first. I think we had, Tessa, can you write 400 mils of milk? Yeah, is it op 0? Okay, en dit is op. En dan nog meer. En dan ga ik gewoon 200 doen. Wacht even, Michael. Michael, guys. I think it was about 200 mils. Michael just put the whole thing. Anyway, guys, I'll tell you because I know how much flour is in there. I'll just measure how much is remaining. 400 ml, 1 milk. Yeah. So, en dan doen we ook 200 gram flour.
Ook appel bij de pannenkoek.
No, we don't put apple in the pancake, Michael. It's almost hard. So we're going to add more milk. So that means the 400 ml is not enough. So I'm just going to add 200 ml more. So we do nog 200 ml milk. So the one who taught me how to make these pancakes. Ben je aan het kijken wat je aan het doen bent? Huh? It's my sister. I spent half a year in Canada, and she was like, "We have to make pancakes for Kevin because Kevin was still little then." I was like, "How do you make pancakes?" So then we made pancakes for the first time, and we never stopped since then. So that was like 8 years ago. Oh, I'm sorry, Tessa. Okay, let's finish. Ben je even goed opnemen, Kevin? Doe maar op pauze. Stop. So the mix is still not good enough, so we add more milk. Just a little bit. Just wait, guys. Okay. You add a little. You go to the other side. To the other side. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah. And then I mix. So that was 100 mils. Can you write 100 mils? Do you know? So you can either use a whisker or a mixer, sorry, or this hand mix. Yeah, do one. Put in there. So Michael is putting the rest of the milk, but he's so careful. We'll probably wait for him. Can I help you? Yay, cake. So I think this is good now. So at first the mix is going to look a bit liquid, but then after a while it gets a bit harder. So don't make it too hard because of that. It's a little bit bumpy, but it's not so bad. There's a little bit of their bowls and stuff inside. So yeah, so our mix is done. I kind of feel like it's a little bit. So I'm just going to add a little bit more. Michael, can you press that? Just maybe a teaspoon. And that's all.
Little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. So that's 20 grams. That's you're right, 20 grams. Yeah, this is good like this. So now we are ready to make the pancakes. Move to the stove. Yeah, Michael knows what we need. Michael, you have to move like this, wait. This is how it goes when the kids have to help. So I put on the stove and I have there my pan. This pan is super old, but it does the best job. So I put, this is melted butter that I have here. Michael, ooh, guys. Michael, punch it for your mom. Yeah. Yeah, just wait. Michael, come down. Come down. We need a, yeah, thank you, Tessa. So we need a spoon. Such a spoon is handy. A soup spoon, so that you can. Do you do? I don't think that will go well. Okay, but we're going to try. Michael's going to help. Just wait. Okay, it's here now. You can put. Yeah? Voorzichtig. In here? Okay, goed zo. Ja, goed. Okay, thank you, Val. So, this is the first pancake. It's never nice, the first one. So what I do is I always... What? What? Okay, Mike wants to say something, but then he's not being clear. So this is the first pancake. What I do is that I tilt the pan a little bit so that it spreads around it. I don't need to use a spoon or anything. So I think it's good on one side. It's not yet very good. I always say the first one is never nice. So, Michael,
Yeah.
do you really want to eat the pancakes? So, instead of doing these videos, I'm thinking of just writing my recipes. I'll figure out how to do that and where to put it, but I will definitely share my recipes with you guys because that's why I actually like doing this. Guys, can you stop fighting, please? So, I will find out how to do it and figure out how I can share my recipes. But the videos, guys, I'm sorry. I tried it. I really did. I tried. But I don't like talking when I'm cooking. I just like to concentrate on what I'm doing, and I had to talk during the videos. Come a bit after. So this is so much. So this one is ready, but it's not the best one. So I'm going to make the second one. Nee, wacht even, ik ga dat doen, yeah? Just leave it, I'll do this one, yeah? I have to put on this. This is so small. So you look at the consistency. You can try and see if it can get to this. And to be honest, sometimes milk is different. Some milk are really thick, others are not. You can use full milk. What we were using is half fat milk. I don't know how you call it in English. It's a half full milk, so it's not full fat, it's a half. So this one already looks like it's going to be good. So Kevin, if Kevin can come very close, he can show you how it's spread around here. And in the pancake, you can actually add cinnamon or I don't know, whatever. I add cinnamon as well sometimes. So this one is okay. And then we flip. Yeah, you see, this one is perfect. Yeah, this is the perfect pancake. So guys, this is how I make my pancakes. Every Sunday we have to eat pancakes. Come rain, come sunshine. I have to make pancakes. So again, I'm sorry I'm stopping this, but I hope you understand. I will definitely share my recipes. And guys, what do we say? We say thank you for
Watching the video.
thank you for watching the video. Say thank you.
Thank you.
And bye-bye.
Bye.